Okay, so I just picked up a new relay from Psychotherapy for like 15 bucks. Please found me one. I hope it's a new one. And the hose as usual. The battery's on there, nice and tight. I turn the ignition on. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I just heard the fuel pump come on. It is priming, and we saw that the fuel is coming out from the nozzle here. I'm going to try and hook this up. This is a bitch at times. It's not kind of clipping in. It's supposed to be very easy. All you got to do is press this here, and then press this 2 on this side and this side, and it opens up and you pull it out. But when putting in, you're supposed to hear the click, and that's kind of a bitch trying to get that in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, this time it worked. I have to twist it like this, and then it clips on. So this part is good. The wire is good. Fingers crossed. I could hear it priming. Will it start? I don't know. Yeah, that's the fuel pump. Alright, so I did what you said. 2-3 seconds, and then hold 1 second and then try again. I can still see, like here, like it's not getting gas or something. That sounds like fuel. Try one more time. The battery will be dead by that time. This time I'll give all throttle.
So I got the injectors out. It's tight in there. It's a bitch. The only 2 screws. It's like 1.5 inch long. It goes into those brackets there. It has an 8mm head. You can only put in like a wrench, 8mm wrench, and just make like a quarter turn around. Keep on turning quarter turns, and took a while to get the thing out.